Hey there, green thumbs. Think gardening season ends in summer? Think again. A fall garden can be even more productive, and you don't need a big backyard to make it happen. We'll cover everything from choosing the best cold-hardy crops to clever container gardening techniques that maximize your yield. Before we dig in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss practical, no-fluff gardening tips right here on Fred's Sustainable Gardening. You might be thinking, fall gardening? But isn't it getting cold? Well, that's exactly why fall is such a fantastic time to grow your own food. Cooler temperatures mean fewer pests and diseases. Many crops, like carrots and kale, actually develop a sweeter, more intense flavor after a light frost. The cold temperatures convert starches into sugars, giving those veggies an extra boost of deliciousness. Many leafy greens, root vegetables, and even some brassicas thrive in the cooler soil temperatures of fall. All right, let's talk timing. To get the most out of your fall garden, we need to do a little backward planning. First things first, grab your phone or computer and Google first frost date along with your zip code. This will tell you the average date of the first frost in your area. Now, take a look at those seed packets. See that days to maturity number? We're going to use that to determine your latest planting date. Simply subtract the days to maturity from your first average frost date. Remember, it's always best to check your local weather forecast for any unexpected cold snaps and adjust your planting schedule accordingly. Now for the fun part, choosing what to grow. The good news is that plenty of delicious vegetables thrive in the cooler temperatures of fall, and many of them are perfectly suited for small spaces. Think spinach, kale, arugula, mustard greens, and lettuce. These can handle some frost and are ready to harvest in just 30 to 45 days. Next up, root crops. Carrots, radishes, turnips, and beets. These guys love the cool soil of fall and actually get sweeter after a frost. Don't forget about the brassicas, broccoli, cauliflower, and collards. Choose dwarf varieties for pots. And last but not least, herbs. Parsley, cilantro, and chives are all cool weather lovers that thrive in compact planters. Here's a pro tip. Use staggered planting. Sow a small batch of seeds every 1 to 2 weeks to enjoy a continuous harvest throughout the fall. Now let's talk about how to make the most of your small space. Containers are your best friend. Use 5-gallon buckets, grow bags, or even recycled totes with drainage holes. Think vertical. Installing trellises or hanging baskets is a fantastic way to grow vining crops like peas or compact pole beans. Don't be afraid to get creative with cold protection. As the temperatures start to dip, you can extend your season with floating row covers or plastic mini greenhouses. You can even use a clear storage bin flipped upside down to create a mini greenhouse for your tender greens. Place your setup in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. All right, let's talk about keeping those plants happy and thriving. Cooler temps mean you'll water less often, but it's still important to check the soil moisture regularly, especially in containers. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water early in the day to allow any moisture on the leaves to dry before nightfall, preventing fungal diseases. Fall crops are typically short season, so give them a little nutrient boost. I recommend using a slow-release organic fertilizer or brewing up some compost tea every 2 to 3 weeks. Keep an eye out for pests. A simple spray of neem oil or insecticidal soap will usually do the trick and is safe for your garden. Congratulations! You're well on your way to growing an abundant and delicious fall garden, even in a small space. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Try growing something new. Get creative with your containers, and enjoy the process of watching your garden thrive. Now it's your turn. What are you planning to grow in your fall garden? Share your plans and any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this fall gardening adventure. I hope you feel inspired and empowered to grow your own food, no matter how much space you have. So get out there, get growing, and enjoy the bounty of your fall harvest. And don't forget to subscribe to Fred's Sustainable Gardening for more practical tips and tricks to help you grow food anywhere, anytime. Happy growing!